Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a single book and committing a short focus session. Aim for 25 to 45 minutes to avoid fatigue. Open your notebook and label the date, book title, and purpose so entries stay organized. Skim the next chapter or section, highlighting only resonant passages and jotting immediate reactions. Once done, write one-line summaries per page and mark 3 action items or questions. This gets you reading with intent and produces usable notes right away. You now convert highlights into concise takeaways, 1 to 2 sentences that capture the idea and why it matters. Make sure to include page numbers and a short header so you can find context later. Group similar ideas under thematic headers or use index tabs for quick retrieval. This builds a simple taxonomy for the book. Once a theme grows to 3 notes, synthesize it into a paragraph. Continue adding action items tied to dates, so your journal fuels follow-up instead of collecting dust. You finish by writing a brief reflection, 3 to 5 sentences summarizing what changed for you and the next steps to apply it. Make sure to mark any follow-up dates and prioritize action items. Once a week, review and consolidate duplicate notes and move completed actions off the active list. If your journal becomes unwieldy, prune ruthlessly. Keep the 10 most useful notes per book and archive the rest. Troubleshooting tip: if overwhelmed, reduce session time to 15 minutes and focus on one clear outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.